delocalization or produce in our country, cioè each country where we are from. But this is now from just a lot here. This is but continues to kind of thinking is better, no is better. A lot of country come back to produce in the first way that we made, like I don't know, maybe in Italy or in France or other countries, little countries do fashion, come back to produce in our country because we have the manufacturing with the knowledge, a lot of knowledge from a lot here, blah blah blah. But it's really difficult to define, to know. The globalization now is actors that we are global. We are global, and nothing is good and bad for some different point of view. But in my case, design specialize in more of 50% of my work is focused in the furniture. And nowadays I'm making a project for some project of furniture for one Japanese company, and they have a headquarters in Japan and close to Tokyo, and in the headquarters they have administration, law, and selling, commercial area, department of economy, blah blah blah, and all part technical, and but they made a delocalization for produce in Vietnam. In this case, in Vietnam, where they build a company, they live there, they are there, the engineer, and they are their technical staff, all Japanese, and the worker, in this case 500 worker Vietnamese, that they produce. They teach before for a lot of years. They was teaching how to make a good quality, and they send to Japan after the product quite 90% ready, but the last finishing is made a little bit in Japan, as we did also in Italy, a lot of company for fashion, and they finishing in Italy or in France, and after they said made in France, made in Italy. But anyway, this kind of trick for tax, for spend less money, but I don't want to talk about economy. I talk about max production, as we now match the world is one, and we can match with other countries that they know now. We teach them, we was teaching them a lot for a lot of years. They understand, they learn, and they produce quite the same quality, I don't say perfect quality as we can have in Italy or in France or in Japan or in Spain or Germany, but other country that before was a poor country, now they produce with our supervision, and I think is okay, is nice, because we need to also keep the world connected. We need to keep the world also with one kind of economy and more higher for the whole country, that we have the same more or less rule, more the same match with the economy. We need to produce in the other country, help by other country person, by other country worker. Is normal. I think nowadays is reality is like this. It's useless that a lot of people make a fight. We need to produce in our country. We don't need to give the work to the poor country because the quality. No, the quality. Honestly, I have seen, especially I was in Indonesia for some years watching a producer by supervision of European country or Japanese or Chinese, but they produce quite good. Especially I've seen last time in Vietnam, they produce really good product, even in the fashion and the furniture and the object. And I think we need to go ahead like this, is better. And we need to teach more, we need to also travel and meet the people, because these people also can teach to us a lot, special and about new natural material as bamboo, as wood, as straw, a lot. We can have a new idea, and we have a max production also, keeping some tradition, some handicraft that devolving in the industrial way. I think this is the new way, the good way, not new way, this is good way to continue to produce now, matching a lot of countries together. Each country have one kind of knowledge, and we need to help each other to keep the price in the right way, not too high, but have a good production with a good design. Is important.